Good day everyone, kagising ko, wala pang ligo, wala pang ilamos, wala rin toothbrush. Pero magbe-breakfast ride tayo sa Baguio. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go. And with a few minutes guys, nandito na tayo sa ating destination kung saan tayo magkakape at kakain. Let's go! Oh really? Nice.
Where?
My father?
Yeah, I want.
You.
I want an air conditioning engineer.
Really?
Small cabin.
By the way, what's your name, sir?
My name Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
And you?
VJ.
PJ.
Yeah.
PJ. Welcome, PJ.
Thank you, sir.
Nice name.
Yeah, that's... This is your last day and you will go to Manila.
Today, now, after...
So we are done with our breakfast guys at bababa na tayo ngayon sa Pangasinan. And so nakakatuwa lang kasi kasi may namit tayong bagong friend. Yun yung isang goal ko eh, yung mag-travel kang mag-isa or mag-rides kang mag-isa or you go somewhere na mag-isa and then you will meet hindi naman random people or stranger, parang ganyan. Tapos you will make connections and then you will further expand everything, diba? That's life eh. So see you. Bye. And in some ways, kapag tinatry mong mag-explore mag-isa, meron din siya mga benefit. You will boost your confidence, you will enhance your communication skills, and you will further know yourself kung hanggang saan yung limit mo, diba? Ganun lang naman talaga ang buhay. You need to grow, and you will not grow unless you start, diba? Kaya yun, kanina kasi kagabi pa actually hesitant akong magbiyahe mag-isa, pero right now, I see the good side, I see the benefit pa. Ang ganun, ang ganda din, masaya. Na parang isang mag-isa mo lang, and then suddenly may mag-meet ka. Fulfilling ba? And you will also have the parang opportunity or chance na ma-share din kung anong meron ka. Meaning na parang knowledge or something. Basta sharing ba of information. Hindi ba? So yeah, baba na tayo. Let's go.